This is a very widely used application in construction machinery industry, welding of steel structure medium and thick plates. This type of welding is very widely used in construction machinery industry for medium and thick steel structure welding. This steel structure welding station is composed of QJAR welding robot, head-to-tail positioner, welding fixture, QJAR handling robot, handling fixture, and loading table. The situation of this workstation is that the handling robot climbs the workpiece from the loading table to the welding position. The arc welding robot spot welds the fixed workpiece, and the handling robot leaves the welding position. The arc welding robot cooperates with the positioner to complete the welding of the workpiece. The features of the product include dual robot collaborative operation, laser tracking technology, robot and external axis, synergistic working, head-to-tail positioner, application, welding demonstration in steel structure industry, and ground walking rail application. This workstation shows several technical highlights. First, these workpieces does not require manual loading and unloading. In our solution, robots are used to automatically load and unload, and then there is a robot for automatic welding. This robot also comes with laser tracking. That is, we equip the robot with a vision system, let the robot have eyes, so the robot can automatically identify and find the correct welding position. For steel construction machinery, the consistency of their workpieces is not very good, and the tolerances are relatively large. The laser tracking and position searching functions are applied here. It can automatically correct the welding track, and we also added a ground walking track to the robot. They are equivalent to adding eyes and feet to the robot, thereby realizing the robot's intelligence. There is also a small match system in this workstation. Based on this system, we can track its production in real time, follow up orders, production values, robot operation, energy consumption, and other data can be seen in this match system. In this way, this workstation is equivalent to a small smart factory or a smart workshop, and ASD uses 500 QJAR robots in its smart factory, with that a large control room uses a similar and more complex match system, and the brand operation center of all the factory is in the match system. This is also one of the difference between QJAR robot and other China robot manufacturers. We have a dedicated technical team in our research institute in Shanghai to develop these intelligent applications. This is the presentation about the construction machinery industry. We, EVS, offer industrial robots and other robotic automation-related devices, services. We build up a convenient and reliable one-stop purchasing platform for industrial robotic automation-related equipment. We are looking for service center distributors globally. If you are a final user factory customer, welcome to contact us for robotic automation support. Our principle: offer reliable automation products, services, and bring value to clients. This channel is mainly sharing knowledge and stories on robotic automation. If you like our video, please press like, subscribe, share, and turn on the little bell.